everyone, I'm Twyla, and today we're going to get into the FabFitFun mini box. So FabFitFun every now and then offers a send to your friends a free mini box when they sign up for a subscription, or buy a subscription and get a free mini box. So my friend Whitney, who is also my hair stylist, she has been getting FabFitFun for a couple of years now, and I finally told my husband I wanted a FabFitFun for Christmas. So he said, okay, go ahead and order it. So she sent me a link for sign up the subscription and get a free mini box. So that's what this is. And I think they are the same mini box for the quarter. So if you order a subscription now, before the spring, you will get this mini box. If you order it with the springtime for the spring box, you will get a different one. So this is what it is for this says FabFitFun. That's why we're super, okay, you're the best of the best. So this is the starter box. It's a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Don't forget your next box will be even bigger. So I got both of my boxes at the same time. So this is just an introduction to FabFitFun. So they put this little magazine in here for your starter box, and it has just some things in here that introduces you to FabFitFun and what they're all about. The card is this. This says what's in the box. This box is valued at $162. So this is the starter box for winter. And here it is. There's a little thing on the bottom there that you can see. So we'll get into, this is the Spongelle Black Orchid Body Wash Infused Butter Buffer. Why can't I see you guys? Oh. So this is what it is. It is a sponge that is infused with the body wash. So as you use it, it foams up and you can multi-use. It's got several uses in here. And this one is in the scent Black Orchid. This is valued at $16. So the next thing in here is a Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Pure Argan Oil Leave-In Mask. Intense care for all hair types. So here's what it looks like. It is spray generously onto damp hair, comb through hair, and style. Seal in moisture, protect against heat and UV damage, and detangle hair. Okay, my hair is a little frizzy because it was up all day yesterday. I know you're supposed to use it on damp hair, but you know what? We're going to use it. Oh, it smells heavenly. We're just going to put a little on my dry hair, okay? I think you can tell my hair probably needed some masking. Okay, I'm excited for that. Okay, so the next thing in here is Australian certified toxic free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. Mouthful. This is from Alchemist. And this is the Hydra-Repair Day Cream with Camellia Geranium Blossom. It says it has rosehip oil. This is the tube. This is a full size. This is $49. Okay, there's the long list of ingredients that I don't have glasses to see. Where's the English side? Oh, here's the English side. Non-greasy facial moisturizer that noticeably improves the hydration levels without leaving residual oil or shine. Cane sugar in it. Geranium Blossom. Interesting. And then the last thing in here is it Yumi Kim? And this is a hanging train case, and this is valued at $58. So it's very pretty. I love that pink flowers on here. Gold. So here is the hanger, and this is it. These are clear plastic. You have a smaller one up here. So this folds up into here. That folds up and zips up. And that's a nice little train case. Okay, so that is everything in the winter starter kit, the winter mini FabFitFun box. These 4 items valued at $162. If by chance you're interested in your own FabFitFun starter box or mini box and a subscription, just email me. They give every new subscriber to their box, which my husband got me for Christmas and I'll be unboxing soon, where you can gift free mini boxes if they subscribe. So if you want to subscribe to FabFitFun and you would like your own mini box starter kit, just send me an email and I will send you back an email with the link where you can sign up. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Focus on the good and the happy in your life and come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye.